We're actually waiting. We were just attacked by this seagull.
He hit me in the head. All right, we're going.
He's pissed off. If we waiting to see if he'll attack us again. So we'll keep the camera rolling. I think he's got a. There he goes. There he goes. I think he's got a nest over here.
Here he comes. Here he comes. His buddy's up there, man. I'm telling you, he's gonna shit on us.
That was hilarious. Here's the other one.
Oh, yeah. All right.
So he's the one that warned us.
And that's probably the papa over there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So somewhere in here, wait, we got to walk through here again. We got to wait for these girls. No, don't tell them. See these right here? These two girls.
Yeah. You gotta watch out, man.
Yeah.
Those seagulls are attacking.
Yeah. But we're going to keep it running to see what happens here.
Those seagulls are getting angry. Oh, no, they're...
Oh, let's come on. We got to go back.
No,
I got to go back. I got to see if he's going to attack again. Trying to figure out where the nest. Huh? Okay, just watch this one. Let me know when he comes. Oh, here comes this one. I got to watch. Okay, I don't know what they're guarding. This was funny. I'm not sure what they were guarding, but huh? They're attacking. Okay. These are pissed off seagulls. I don't know if I can get back to where I'm going. All right, I'm trying to get back. Leave me alone. I'll leave. Okay, I'm leaving. They are pissed off about something. Like dive bombers. Oh my Lord, that was fun. That was fun. Gotta go. Oh, maybe not.